Machine learning myths that beginners believe machine learning is surrounded by hype. And that hype creates myths that mislead beginners. Here are the most common ones. Myth 1. You need to understand all the maths before you can start. You can build and deploy machine learning models before you master the underlying mathematics. Start building and deepen your mathematical understanding as you go. Myth 2. More data always means a better model. Quality matters more than quantity. A clean, well-labeled dataset of 10,000 records often outperforms a messy dataset of 10 million. Myth 3. Deep learning is always the best approach. Deep learning requires large amounts of data and significant compute resources. For many real business problems, simpler models like decision trees or logistic regression perform just as well and are far easier to explain. Myth 4. Once a model is deployed, the work is done. Models drift over time as the real world changes. A model trained on data from 2 years ago may perform poorly today. Monitoring and retraining are ongoing responsibilities. Myth 5. Machine learning will solve any problem. Machine learning is a powerful tool, but it is not universally appropriate. Many business problems are better solved with simpler analytical or rule-based approaches. Understanding when not to use machine learning is as important as knowing how to use it. Clear thinking beats hype every time.